Sorry, welcome to my vlog. This is going to be my first ever YouTube video up, which is scary. I'm going to this like networking party event and I'm going by myself, which is very scary. This is my outfit and I'll probably like insert what my fit is looking like here. Jeans from where are these from? Oh, Man of Devoir, but I got them on Vinted. Top from PLT. This from Vinted. Bag I did myself. Look how cute. Well, yeah, I have to actually go now before I'm late. Yeah.
Which might seem a bit random, but a lot of my ones are actually quite
Hey, my name's Chambers. I'm French from this is Vincent. And shoes are Jordan brands. I've got this. That's also going from Nike. The fur I don't know. And glasses are from Shein. And the chain is from Sanucci.
And she's got a podcast coming.
And we have a podcast coming out soon. Watch out for D and Lee.
Hi guys, I'm MB. This is CFMB. Galleries Apartment. And then Beautiful. Recalling the old one stage, this is the same young chances. The light big glassy.
Oh, okay.
Girls. Beanie I got from Depot. Montclair.
So let me see, okay?
Elite. Then this again, and then the jacket is my brand as well.
How many layers do you have? 3.
The jacket is my brand. Can't see in it, but
Hi, my name is Mariana. My earrings are from Brazil. My set is from Depot. My skirt is from Brazil. My shoes is off. My coat is from Cherry Shop. This is from Brazil.
My name is Rebecca, and everything's from Beyond Retro. And Shein. No one's a Shein, it's always Shein. Really?
My name's Anita. I'm wearing a short top from Zara. And then I'm wearing a new Jordan 1 gold spread. And that's it.
It's Big Nice number 1. And my outfit is from PLT and Shein.
Period.
Currently just editing some TikToks.
approaching twice.
I thought that was my
Change it.
This is me showing you what I got in my goodie bag. The first thing, we did a vision board segment, so this is what I could come up with, yeah. And then they gave us a book. I don't know what I'm going to put in this book yet, but probably affirmation. I don't even know, mate. Then they gave us popcorn. And then they gave us this worksheet, and it was basically like, write down your dream life. Yeah, all those cute vibes. Then this girl was handing out her business card, which was so nice. Then they gave us a big calendar, 2024 calendar. And then this is just me waffling to TikTok. But yeah, the event was really good. Shout out to Anita, Tracy and Rachel. Yeah, I went by myself and it was very scary. It was very scary, but I stuck beside them and they just made it a vibe. Yeah, I'm about to cut my hair. Like, I love the length. I really love the length, but I feel like I will bang if it's shorter. Looks like this is how long it is. I'm gonna cut it. So I'm gonna cut like this off and then put more layers in it, and then I guess you'll see the end result.
Yo, 8 million and new thing, tied up like my shoestring. Ain't fucking you bitch niggas, and that's real rap, but I do sing. Make room when I come by. Ain't speaking, I'm dumb high. Just heard niggas got jokes, it's a matter of time before one dies. Them dudes out and them tools out, or 50 like fools out. Niggas know if they talk slick that I'm winter fresh, they'll get chewed out. Them dudes out and them tools out, or 6 like fools out. Niggas know if they talk slick that I'm winning fresh, but get chewed out. This shit ain't regular rich, so they end up in the ditch. I'm not a regular bitch, so when niggas see me, they jump on my dick. He not a regular shooter, so when you see me, salute her. Ain't got a knife in my hand, but I'm chopping it up with the nigga shooter. I'm a real nigga, I'm a real nigga. I run around with them real niggas. Got real sons, I need a real sitter. When I leave niggas, they get real bitter. I'm a real nigga, I'm a real nigga. I run around with them real niggas.
I keep on looking at the viewfinders of the actual thingy. Oh, time to go. Then we went to Roller Nation on this day and it was so good. I really needed a break from uni work, so we decided to go Roller Nation because I'm trying to be a skater girl this summer. So this was my little training camp. I fell down 10 times, but it's fine. And then this is my friend Natalie. Shout out to her for inviting me. I'm trying to be like her. She a real skater girl. I'm trying to be like her. This is us just waffling to the camera. I don't even know what we're saying here. And then after we played tug of war, girls versus boys, the girls won. We won twice. And I was just like, are these the men of this generation? Weak, I'm joking. But yeah. And then this is like, the pros were really showing out. They were skating so fast. It doesn't really look like they're going fast here, but trust me, they're going so fast. I'm trying to be like them. But yeah, we got there at 10. We left around 4ish, so got home really late, but it was worth it. And that's the end of this vlog. Thank you for watching my first ever vlog. Like, comment, subscribe, all that jazz. Yeah.